There's this striking deep blue silk figure just floating high above the earth, suspended in near silence. It looks almost human, like it's turned toward the light, with endless clouds and oceans stretching far below, and the darkness of space slowly closing in above. Around it, small cameras quietly rotate, capturing every subtle ripple and movement in the fabric as it reacts to the extreme environment. This project comes from a fascinating team known as the Dorothy Project, where scientists and artists come together to push creative ideas right to the edge of space. In this case, they teamed up with Toroni, an Italian silk maker known for using only natural materials without harsh chemicals. What they created starts as a full human-sized form, carefully wrapped from chin to toe in layers of delicate silk. On the ground, it looks almost like a still, sculptural piece. But once it rises into the upper atmosphere, everything changes. As the balloon climbs higher, the silk begins to move in ways you'd never see on Earth. It stretches, twists, and flows unpredictably, shaped by conditions that simply can't be recreated on the ground. The figure starts to feel less like an object and more like something alive, reacting to the edge of space in real time. Behind the scenes, there's some serious engineering making all of this possible. The team has built rigs tough enough to handle forces up to 7 times gravity and extreme temperature swings. They use hydrogen balloons to lift everything smoothly and cleanly into the sky. And once the journey is over, the balloon comes back down. With tracking systems in place, they can recover the entire setup right where it lands. The footage they captured is honestly mesmerizing. You'll see the silk figure gently spinning as it drifts, sometimes appearing as a tiny blue silhouette against the curve of the earth. In other moments, clouds swirl far below while the figure tilts slightly, almost like it's leaning into the view, and as the sequence unfolds, you can actually watch the lighting shift from bright daylight into the deep darkness of space, giving the whole scene an otherworldly, almost surreal feeling.